Nasa pansit.
Saan? Yung limabas na lang.
Ay, camera oh.
Naka-video ka. Naka-video ka.
Uy, dito na. Kakainin ko.
Eh, wala kang kutsara. Bakit? Paano mo ito kakainin?
Dito, sa labas. Wala pa sila eh.
Sabi isa tayo dito, labing dalawa tayo. Carbon. Carbon mo. Isa lang wala.
Gundo, di.
Okay lang. Bago na pagkapalit, ano na lang mabuti yan.
Parang reset yan namin.
Ha?
May bakya. Hindi mo format na nalalagan natin.
Hi guys, TV.
Kaya ko.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. Got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
taga Dubai din. Dubai din.
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Magkano ang bigay? Ano yung babi? Tao din? Dagat? Okay, okay.
Sa labas ng stratos. Eh, naka-hydraulic na siya. 1.5. Kaya tama lang yung presyo. Kaya tinawaran ko ng 2.5.
Oo.
Nagano lang yung ito.
Eh, kung... Pag-uri... Radyo.
Nakatalikod naman, paano makita mo siya? Padlak chai.
Pero hindi sila nagchat-chay. Ano sila pambili?
Padlak.
Bilis pa kami. Pa pala nakakarating doon sa ibang mga...
Kasalanan talaga ng isa.
Dami sila yung nagpakain.
Pagdating namin na po
Ikaw palami namin doon, madilim pa. Ikaw palami kasalanan pa rin.
yung Dragon Mar. Sabi ko, puta na nakaka-aanlak yata ako lahat. Hindi ko nararating. Pagdating namin ng Dragon Mar, parang nakontenta, nagpunta ka lang ang
Diretso pa.
Buti nga hindi tumangkad to.
Babalik pa ako doon kung tatawag ako.
Tinitingnan namin. Para tumugtog ayaw. Diretso lang talaga
Lahat
siya.
parang ano, lahat parang mali ha. Pag-alalay, bakit may sabi mo, baka tayo ano kayo, matay.
Yes, pasabi ko ni yung pauwi kami nung Sabado.
Doon na naman kayo.
Hindi pa ganyan pag-angat kami.
Shoutout dun sa nanalo ng Polygon sa Rapol.
Nanalo sa Rapol.
Shoutout sa nanalo ng Polygon sa Rapol. Shoutout sa may-ari. Tang, shoutout Yana.
Shoutout to Yana. Nagtinda ka na ng halo-halo dyan.
Kasi,
Uy, shoutout. Bago jersey. Bago jersey, tapos nanalo pa ng raffle sa bike.
sabay.
Sabihin ko kay Teo, may target akong binigay.
Ulit. Ang ganda ng... Parang gusto mong bilhin.
Hindi, okay na. Hindi, ang ganda talaga. Astig talaga yung kulay niya. Kasi iba-iba yung ano eh.
Kung may birthday wish tsaka Christmas nang sa Kapitana sa nakikinig, shoutout. Sir ka?
Pagkatito nga naman. Yung si kay, sino ba yung mekaniko sa ano? Sa Dex Bike?
Si...
Mga 60 no? 60 mm no?
Excuse
Sa'yo ba
me.
na 60?
Excuse me. Naka-video.
Tapos stomach in.
Stomach-in, oh. Stomach-in, oh.
Parang hindi na tayong chan.
Close up naman. Close up.
Alin dyan yung chan?
Close up.
Chan?
Close up yung...
Pagpatagilid.
Wow.
Pag tagilid, halata lalo eh.
Okay, Beckles. May testos. Mga Beckles.
At tara.
Nakita ko yung kay ano, katralala ko.
Ay, Victor Friends.
Pinaka-pardus din. Kakilala ko yun. Kasama ko na. Bilis nila. Dito, trat. Shoutout Belsam. Saka kay ano dyan.
Aja, sige po.
Bye! Bye!
Boy!
I miss you so much.
Girl na yun.
Yes, greetings from here, Canada.
Shoutout Berlo.
Shout out Berlu. Where are you, Berlu? Volga is missing you so much. Tama ba English ko?
Nice.